Cooking video of Induction tilting soup kettle. Thick stainless steel body, anti-corrosion and easy clean, ideal for long-term commercial kitchen use. Smooth burr-free finish, heavy-duty large pot for mass soup production. Digital display shows heat level, power and voltage. 8 adjustable heat settings for precise cooking. Rotatable tilt design, effortless soup pouring without lifting. 360 flexible stainless steel hose tap, splash-free water filling. Tested large capacity for soup storage, enough for all-day serving without frequent refilling. Cooked tomato egg soup, also perfect for bone broth and brine. Fast, even heating to save cooking time. Even simmer brings out rich flavor and nutrition. Smooth outflow with no residue or spills. All-in-one filling, boiling and pouring design for high efficiency. Trust Lestov commercial kitchen equipment for your soup making needs.